Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are outside
in the rain.
Yeah,
Which kind of sucks.
Yeah, we're on Oakwood Road right now. We took a big rock. We're at Kagan's grandma's house. And yeah. And this is Kagan's grandma's house. Right here. That's it. And if that's it, that is it.
And please share, like, and comment
Down below saying I subscribed.
Or
please,
I love this video.
Yeah.
It was epic or awesome.
Yes. And also like this video because I know you're probably a little fan of me. Some of you are, but he doesn't have a YouTube video. So he's in my videos lots, and so is Lucas. You know all those gaming videos we did? They're way too overhand. Okay, and here's my grandpa's house. Yep, right here. Right here. Tundra. And there's also sort of a rich person's house because they've got a pool in their backyard. And yeah. Well, yep, that's all we really had to show you because Oh, and guys, comment down below. Whose grandparents' house do you think is better? Okay, my friends or mine? Just comment down below who it is. Okay? And see you guys later. Bye.